Hi guys, welcome to
Kaiser's Playhouse.
Alright, today we're going to do something very exciting.
Yes.
We're going to do something that's going to be out of this world.
Yeah, it's going to be elephant toothpaste.
Elephant toothpaste?
Yes.
You mean like elephants brush their teeth with toothpaste?
No, some videos can show you, and I think you need to do your research.
Yes, I will have to do my research. But what we're going to do today is we are actually going to make elephant toothpaste today.
Yeah,
And we're going to use 3 cylinders here,
Yes.
and we're going to have 3 different colors, right?
Yes.
All right. Now, before we get started, we want to make sure we go over some safety items.
Yes.
All right.
You can't use any of these chemicals. You can do it only while doing it.
All right. Just make sure when you decide to do this video or do your own video or your own science project that you do have a adult with you at all times when you get ready to do this.
Yeah, because it has a lot of bad things for you. If you drink them, that means you'll probably get sick.
Do not drink any of these items. So
Yes,
what we
that'll
go
be
is
disgusting.
all right. So what we're gonna go over is we're gonna go over some of our items here. All right.
Yes.
So the first item we have here is
Gloves.
gloves. You gotta have gloves on because you will be dealing with some of these chemicals. Like again,
You also
make sure you got a safety is a adult with you.
You also need a spoon before you can use this.
All right. The spoon is for measuring for some of our chemicals that we're gonna be using.
And we have, so you'll probably see this at stores. It's food coloring.
Right. So we need food coloring as well.
Yeah.
And also we're gonna need some soap.
Yes.
Some dish soap.
Yeah.
We will not be washing dishes out here.
That's
all right,
not
guys?
because I'll probably.
All right. So some other things is if you can order some of these cylinders online
And Amazon.
on Amazon, or you can go to your local supply stores and that deals with a lot of medical stuff. They probably have them in there. Okay. Now we're gonna definitely use a funnel. We need a funnel for that.
Yes.
We're gonna use the cups definitely for some
Water.
managing, some water. All right. So as I was saying, that the chemicals. So I will be handling all the chemicals during this time.
Yeah,
all
but
right?
I'll do the food coloring.
The only time that he will handle some of this when we have our protective stuff on, which will be gloves and our face shields on, and when we get ready to pull our items inside
Yeah,
our
because
cylinders.
you always need to have face shields.
Got to have face shields. All
Because
right.
the bad chemicals that you go in your eye and you have this on, it'll be good.
Right. So you got to be protected. All right. So what we're going to use today, we have crystal clear
Don't shake it.
peroxide. Yes.
Don't
do
shake
not
it.
do not shake
You're
it.
already shaking it.
Oh, this is good. It's not nearly just yet. Just make, like he said, do not drink this. All right.
Don't
So
be
we're using
disgusting.
crystal clear peroxide. All right.
Don't
So you can actually find some of this stuff at hair stores, or you can order it online as well. All right. Second thing is we're gonna use is sodium iodine crystals that we're gonna be using. So we're gonna mix this with warm water, and we're gonna actually be pulling it into the cylinder. And the chain reaction that you will see will actually show you how we make our elephant toothpaste, right?
Yes.
All right. Again, I don't know if elephants do brush their teeth. Do they have teeth?
No.
Okay.
Yes, they do.
Oh, they do.
Yeah,
All right,
but
guys.
they only use it.
All right. Again, once again, we will show you how we actually make everything, and then in the comments below, we'll show you the ingredients that we actually use. All right. Are you ready to get started?
Yes.
All right.
First, you need to put your goggles on.
Yes, you got to put your goggles on. Okay. We'll see you in a few minutes. All right. All right, guys. Here we go. We're gonna go ahead and get started. So, I went over and pulled the solution in here.
Yeah.
In each one of the cylinders. All right.
Yeah.
I got warm water ready. That way we can pull the sulfide in, which I will be doing that.
Yeah, and we also have some food coloring. So the type we have blue, red, and yellow.
All right. So what we have to start off with first, we have to go ahead and put our
Soap.
got to put soap in there, because what the soap does is once it mixes the gas, it collects the gas and it holds the gas and it holds it like bubble and stuff. And then when you see it foam up, you will see what I'm talking about. All right. So go ahead and put some soap in there, in each one of them. Just pour it in there in the top. You want me to help you do it?
Yeah.
All right. So what I'll do is go ahead and squeeze. Keep squeezing, keep squeezing, keep squeezing, keep
That's
squeezing.
good.
Keep some more. Give me some more. All right, right there. So we'll go to the next one. Squeeze in there, squeeze in there. And it doesn't matter how much you really put in there.
Yeah.
But you just want to make sure that it can hold the phone.
Yeah.
All right, want me to do this one?
Yep.
All right.
But it looks like pee.
All right, okay.
It looks like
Now,
pee.
and again, it does not matter what kind of dish soap you use, any kind of detergent dish soap, all right?
Yep.
Okay, now, what we gotta do, we gotta shake it up a little bit, and I will be doing that. I will agitate it a little bit.
Agitate.
Basically, agitating is to maybe kind of mix it up a little bit. If you have a washing machine, you'll know. I will do it for you.
Okay.
All right, so
Why
that way
is
if
it-
it splashes up, it will not splash on him, all right?
Agitate.
All right, from here, we are gonna put our food coloring in. So here you go, you got a blue. You got it?
Yep.
So let me hold it down there for you. There we go. Oh, you
Da,
kind
da.
of dropped it.
Yes.
All right, here we go. You got it? You got it? All right, so a couple of drops in there. Keep 2, 3. Give me more. 5. Okay. All right. It doesn't matter what we're just gonna go with 5 drops for ours. So the next one we would do.
My red. You didn't know but reds are my favorite colors.
All right. So go ahead and give me 5 drops of red.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right. That's red drop. So now from here we will go with our yellow.
I think I know how to do it.
All right. So here we go. Make sure you got it. All right. Here we go. Come on. You got it?
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
All right, here we go, here we go. All right, guys, so now, again, we gotta kind of mix it a little bit.
Yeah. Agitate, guys.
All right.
Agitate.
Remember, adult has to do this part right here, because this is chemicals. All right?
Because sometimes if you shake it a lot, it'll splash. Like
Splash on you. All right, so, let me kind of pull this. We're
Ah,
gonna
pee
need some
pee.
warm water from this point on. All right, so guys, so from here you're gonna need warm water. All right, it doesn't matter how much water you
It
put in
is.
there. All right, just make sure it's warm. We're gonna have enough that way it's when the chemicals come together, they will activate. Okay. All right, guys. So from this point on, this is where I will pull your sulfite, your sodium iodine crystals. All right. So I will be doing the pulling. All right. Because this stuff gets on you, it would make a little reaction to you. So make sure we're having fun with this. All right, guys.
Yeah.
All right. So stand back. Stand over there. Right there, buddy. So we'll put enough. All right.
That's good.
Okay, that's enough in there.
What
What
does
I'm
it do?
using, I'm actually using
Wait, it's going yellow.
I'm actually using a tablespoon here.
Yes,
but
for a reason.
you can use, as long as it's enough to get in there, dissolve down in there. All right, so now from this point
I
on,
smell it.
all right, you gotta
Oh,
turn it
some
around, mix it a
spill.
little bit,
Some
make sure it
spill.
smells, mixing.
Agitate.
Agitate. Yeah, all right. Okay, guys. Now, this is where the fun starts. Okay.
Yes.
So, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take one and you're just gonna pour it in there real quick and step back. Okay.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna pour these two and we're gonna step back and we're gonna see what colors actually comes out. All right. Can you grab it?
Yep.
Grab it one hand. All right. On the count of 3, you're gonna pour it in there.
1, 2.
One hand. If you can do it one. Can you do it one hand?
No.
All right, 1, 2, 3, pour it in there. Pour it.
Hurry.
All right, so now, you see how it started, come over here. All right, you see how it started to act up?
Yeah, and that dirt, it's like a volcano.
Yeah, it's like a volcano from this point on. You see how the,
Whoa. It looks
and if you
like
kind of
it's
can see it,
going
it's
down.
little steam that's coming off here. And what it is it's the sodium is activating with the peroxide and the soap, it just
it's about to hit
holding
the
in there.
camera.
It'll just keep flowing down, and it will
It's
keep
mixed
going.
up.
It is pretty cool. Look at the pretty colors that it
I
makes
put-
and stuff, guys.
That was
It is
probably the
pretty
winner.
good.
That's
All right,
the
we'll
winner
see.
right there.
Let's see if it goes down to the bottom, if it falls down.
No, let's
It's holding on. It is holding on.
No!
Oh, it's getting on the ground.
Down!
Now.
It's like a splat!
All right, it is so cool, right?
Oh my gosh, there's
All right,
two
guys.
splats.
Now,
There's-
listen up. All right, so guys, this was fun. So what we're gonna do next is we're actually gonna let this fizzle out a little bit more. All right, and then after this, we're actually gonna use another item. We're gonna try to put it inside a soda bottle and see if we can get it to shoot up in the air.
Yeah.
We're gonna try. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll give it a try. All right, guys, we're right back with you.
Oh my gosh!
It's still coming out.
Green's still firing!
Oh, it's still mixing it out. I
Green's
know.
winning!
Oh, what we're gonna try is we're gonna try to do it with a bottle. We just put a little hole at the top.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see if we can try to make it shoot out.
Yeah, like, what happened?
We're gonna try. All right. As a reminder, the adult should be the one that should be doing all this activity. Okay. So it's probably gonna spill out to the side a little bit. Hopefully we get everything in there.
Yes.
So
there you go.
stand back a little bit. Come back over here. Stand behind me, right there, right there. Not behind me all the way. Just stand right there. All right, here we go. Hopefully we can get it in there.
2, 1, go! Hurry!
Oh, we just made
It's
a
spilling!
mess.
It's spilling! It's gonna go.
I don't think this activated the way we thought it's gonna do, but it is making some kind of progress in there. But it's going very slow. I think what it is, our top does not let the air out long enough, so it is activating, but not fast enough.
Yeah.
But it is going, but it's moving very slow.
Yes,
So
like
that idea didn't work the way we thought it was gonna work. But it is moving. If you can see it, it is moving, but it's just moving
What
kind of
happens
slow.
when you shake it? It's going faster.
It's going faster. Let's agitate just a little bit, see what it does.
Agitate.
See if it goes a little bit faster.
It is.
And it's actually coming out, so we're gonna slide it right here just in case it decided to
Oh no!
puff
Oh no!
itself
It's
out.
about to pop! It's
So
about to
let's see what
pop!
we're doing, and there we go. The bubbles
I'm
is
a
coming out.
bubbly. It's right.
Now it's
bubbly
activated real
now.
good. Now, the one thing you need to remember is that the water shouldn't be too hot. It just has to be lukewarm and stuff. I think we probably had ours just a
Oh
little
my
bit too
gosh.
warm. So, all right, guys. So that is for our science project.
Yes.
I appreciate you coming back to.
Kaiser's Playhouse.
So please, when you get a chance to like us on this channel.
Yes. Subscribe and hit the notification bell.
All right, and we'll see you next time for our next video.
Bye.
Bye. Hey, Kaiser, are we done playing yet?